Hey y'all, Casey here with Merit Tech. Today on this episode of the Merit Minute, we're going to go over your daily checks before you go out in the field and start cutting. We're going to start off with our checking your radiator fluid, which is right here on the top cover. Just pop this open, check your coolant level, make sure you're good. Then you're going to come over to your dipstick right here in the front of the motor, check your engine oil. Then your next check is going to be your air filter, followed by your drive system right here for your hydraulics. This is at the start of the day when your saw is cold before you go out and cut. This is going to be where your radiator coolant check is. On the top cover, pop it open, you got your radiator cap right there. Let me reiterate, saw must be cold. And right here, we're going to be checking your oil level right here with the dipstick. What you can do is pull the dipstick out, wipe it, pop it back in, and then pull it back out. See what your level is right there. Make sure your engine is as level as it can be though. Right, next step is checking your air filter. You just want to check and make sure that your air filter is not clogged. Your last check is going to be your hydraulic drive system. Right here's your reservoir. You want to make sure the saw is as level as can be, and you want the reservoir to be between min and max, as you see right here. As a side note too, while you're doing your daily checks, you want to check your hose clamps, make sure there's no visible leaks on any hoses or anything like that. As a reference too, you can refer to your ops manual that comes with the saw.